Mikelle, start the car.
Did you get the asset?
Yeah, but someone's not so happy about it. Come back here! What are you doing? We have to go. Where? Of course. Why are we back inside the house?
It's the last place you'd think to look.
I'm gonna give that back when you want me to take it from you. Drive faster!
Yeah, I know! I think we lost him.
All right, death it is. What are you doing?
Trust me.
We have to get back upstairs.
No, we have to take care of Vin Diesel back there.
Well, what are we gonna do?
I got a plan.
What are you doing? What are you doing? Come on, come on, come on, come on, come on. Wow, that works. Say goodbye. That ought to do it. Not quite. Drive faster!
Yeah, I know.